On June 3, it coincides with the traditional Chinese festival Dragon Boat Festival on the 5th day of the 5th lunar month. As one of the program company officers, Xiao Zhan also spends his time with everyone with special care and in different ways. At 10:05 in the morning, Xiao Shi deliberately posted a photo of Xiao Zhan's handsome, with the text whether sweet or salty, keep your love, life Zong will get better and better. I wish you all the best, happy Dragon Boat Festival tilde and let guess what taste of Zongzi the boss Xiao Zhan eats? Later, the official blog of the TV series Yugu Yao starring him showed that Juyi priest Shi Ying was sitting in front of the case, and the bright lights were facing each other, wishing to be happy and praying for perfection. The Dragon Boat Festival lighting congratulations stills. It turns out that Juyi Mountain only celebrates our traditional festivals. At noon, Xiao Zhan presented the annual Dragon Boat Festival hand-painted. He saw the Xiao Chunsheng brand dumplings wrapped in military coats, wearing a Lei Feng hat on his head, and Erlang's legs on his feet. Say, tugging look. There is also a Z, on the 28th bar next to it. It seems that after the filming of that C, I will be able to ride a bicycle. In the afternoon, after more than half a year, Xiao Zhan's food records were finally updated. Hainan chapter is here. At the beginning, Xiao Zhan directly imitated the opening music of the party. The soundtrack and the announcement were arranged. It seemed that he was in a good mood. And this time, the small room seems to have made some progress. Finally, it is not on the edge of resigning, but the boss is right. However, in the small room, your boss only eats a few pieces of noodles, and every time you take it, you will have a big lump. Who is fat if you are not fat?